Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have what will be, for just a little while, the last of the Bella Skin boxes. So let's get in here and see what we've got. I have gotten Bella Skin box almost from the beginning. I think I might have missed the first one, maybe two, but just right from the beginning. And V&A, who is the owner, has decided that she's going to make it, I think, into a quarterly box. She's going to take a little break and then come back and do it as a quarterly box. But she also, oh, I have them on. Excellent. She also is who is involved in the Halos earrings. And these are the ones I got, actually two pair. These are the ones, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I've been wearing in a lot of my videos. I love the length on those. You know, I have kind of a longish but roundish, I don't know how you can have both, but I think I do, face, and I think that that style suits me. Anyway, she's doing halos also. So she's getting out there, she's doing venture, so she's gonna take a little break and then move this to a quarterly. So even though this is late, since I had been with her from the beginning, I just really wanted to get in here really quickly and see what we got. When she did this as a monthly box, it was $35 a month. So I don't know, as she goes forward into a quarterly, if it'll become a bigger box or if it'll stay the same, but just be quarterly. I think it really works though, because she does a lot of lotions and serums because it's all about good for you skincare. And I will admit, you don't necessarily need to get a new lotion every single month. So I think it's a really good move for the box. I'm gonna reach in. Oh good, with the first product, I also pulled out the card and it says Bella Skin Box. Goodbye for now, we'll be back. So that's what that looks like. And it tells us what we received on the back and that our box has a $144 value. She says at the bottom, Bella Skin Box will be pausing its subscription box for a couple of months. We will come back. Please check your emails for updates and our social media account. So I think that it's on her social media that I saw it was gonna be quarterly. Maybe she asked if we wanted it to be quarterly. I think the quarterly story is true. Okay, the first thing I have taken out is Soon Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. And we have 5 pair, and that is what the box looks like. And the patches look like this, very much like the box. And the paperwork says Soon Skincare Golden Eye 24 karat hydrogel eye patches, $28. Golden eye patches also increase elasticity and lighten dark spots. And those gorgeous eye patches slow down the loss of collagen, which means keeping your skin looking plump and youthful. So go ahead and get regal. Cover yourself with gold and be the ruler of your own skin destiny. So a $28 value for 5 eye patches. Reaching in next, I have a Pure Soul Let It Roll Micro Needle Derma Roller. Plumps and Firms 540 stainless steel micro needles at 0.25 millimeters. It got a little banged in the bag, but it's absolutely fine. It is overlaid in plastic. I'm not gonna open it. I don't think, and this is just me, and I have thought about microneedling in the past, me making a blanket statement about something I know nothing about. I don't think that my sensitive skin will hold up under being needled. If I use a washcloth that is too rough, my face abandons ship. It gets red and rashy for days. So I cannot imagine what microneedles will do to me. So I'm going to set this aside for a giveaway. But the paperwork just says Pure Soul Beauty Derma Roller, $19. Get that spa experience from the comfort of your own home. Microneedling helps to create the appearance of smoother, plumper, finer, and brighter looking skin. It will help boost absorption of repairing skin serums, oils, and creams and bring back your natural glow. Okay, reaching in next, I have, what is this? Ammonizers Lash Life Lash and Brow Serum. I just opened another box with a lash and brow serum and said, you know, I've always been nervous about using these on my lashes, but this one, like the one that I just opened, has the mascara wand, so I feel like I could do it more without risking it getting in my eyes, except for I am an eye rubber. But I have started using a Vega Lash one that I have just on my eyebrows, and I think it's making a difference. So I am all about trying these and seeing if I can get more hair. More hair. I'm gonna use it in my Ammonizers Lash Life Serum. This organic blend of perfectly selected oils is exactly what your lashes and brows need for growth and nourishment. We wear false lashes and cover our lashes in mascara so often that we forget to take care of them. This will be an effortless way to grow your lashes and brows substantially without the high price point of chemical ingredients. Each oil in this serum activates the hair follicles and promotes growth. See a difference in just 2 nights. For serious, how can it do anything in 2 nights? It does feel kind of like a challenge accepted, doesn't it? I think it does. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like oil. So I don't know what oils they use. It doesn't tell us. I would have guessed they had to tell us. You know, with my allergies, I'm hesitant to just, but I bet I can get on the website and look. I will do that. All right, reaching in next. Oh, I came out with a card. 20% off, guys. Is it still valid? I know I put off doing this. I bet it is. 20% off your first purchase, Halos 20. For not these earrings, for any earrings. Use this code word and save 20% off your first purchase when you subscribe to our newsletter, Halos 20. And actually, these, oh yeah, these are the other earrings that I got. Actually, you know what? I think I might have them right here. I do. I keep them here in case I come up to make my videos, and so often I forget to put earrings on. I don't know why. That I've started leaving these and these up here. This is the other pair that's in the ad, and it just, I've worn them in 1 or 2 videos. They're gorgeous. They look like real gold. I am so impressed with the quality. Anyway, I'm off on a tangent, but if you would like to try Halos, sign up for the newsletter and use Halos 20, and you'll get 20% off your first purchase at halosjewelry.com. Reaching in next, I have a Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. And that is what that looks like. I'm going to leave this unopened. I just opened, I think, a Fashionista box, which I will probably put up before this. And it had this exact same oil in it. And as I said, when I opened that one, I have received this in several boxes, probably over the course of the last year. I mean, it's probably been a span, but I have probably gotten 4 or 5 of them. I mean, to the point where I have one, I've gifted them, and now I have 2 new ones to pass along. I'm not going to open them because my original one I'm still using because I don't use it as regularly as I should, but that is what it looks like. And the paperwork says Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum, $56. I think the other one said $52, so $52 to $56. A high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep your skin hydrated through the night. Wheat germ oil is nature's powerhouse of vitamin E that will bring liveliness to your skin. Beautiful sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender, ylang ylang, and orange. Apply 2 to 3 drops before bed, warming between your palms and then patting onto your face and neck. And last but not least, and I hate to talk about it because I'm going to be sad until she comes back, we have the Marley Sophia Sweet and Salty Body Polish in Bulgarian Lavender. I wonder what makes the lavender from Bulgaria different. Marley Sophia Naturals Body Polish, $20. Exfoliate your body, face, and lips with this scrub. So your body and your lips. Gentle but effective at removing dead skin cells and invigorating your body to look like you have that glow. It is Dead Sea Salt, avocado oil, honey, chamomile, bentonite clay, and lavender essential oil. The sugar scrub is gentle but effective, antibacterial, and brightening. It's just kind of a salty scrub, and it smells like lavender. It smells so good. I am one of those people, though, that likes lavender and rose. Okay, so that was our last for now. Goodbye for now. We'll be back. I'll keep you up to date with what I know. But this time we got the Sweet and Salty Body Polish that has a lavender scent, the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum, the Ammonizers Lash and Brow Food, the Pure Soul Microneedling, and the Soon Golden Eye 24 karat gold eye masks. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Go check out her Halo jewelry. It's really pretty. And by the way, I bought these with my own monies. Yeah, not an ad, hashtag not an ad. Just like them. Bye, guys.